How to apply credit card online Commonwealth. It's pretty simple and quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Commonwealth Credit Card Activate. Head over to the very first site, or you can move into this one. Once you're in the official site, now click on Getting Started. And then click on Activate Credit Card. You will land on the page where you will be able to see all the step-by-step process on how you can activate Commonwealth credit card. First of all, you have to log into your Commonwealth Bank account. And then tap on card, then swipe across to find the right card. Tap on activate card. You have to enter some of your card details. And then tap on activate. Once done, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.